Greetings, my name is Will, and you are watching the Cardboard Castle YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is the very first video, and I've already got a whole bunch of stuff lined up for you. I wanted to show you in this video the potential of cardboard. This project is almost complete. It is a castle, and everything is cardboard, including the roof, the various textures and terrain. And one of the goals of this channel is to help you increase your creativity in a lot of different ways, not just with cardboard, but cardboard is one way to do it, without spending much money. So, and it's a good thing because spending money sometimes is a way to avoid creativity. When you limit yourself when you're limited by expense, you can get very creative. And I'm going to show you a whole bunch of different things you can do. Paper projects, cardboard tube projects, cardboard projects, dioramas, origami, all kinds of wonderful stuff, paper castles. And I'm going to give you kits you can download and print and put together yourself. It's real important. I also have an obsession with Leonardo DaVinci. And so I'll be having a lot of DaVinci stuff. But here you go. In this video, you can see that cardboard is made up of 3 different layers, and you can peel away those layers and make use of that stuff. Like, for instance, those corrugations I used for some of the roof. See that? And the craft paper itself, that brown paper that we peeled off, that's also very useful. See? So stay tuned, and let me hit the subscribe button. Give this video a like. I've got a lot of stuff coming for you. If you want to be more creative, you like arts and crafts, you like making things of all types, and you want to be able to do it without spending much money, this is the channel. I got so much stuff planned, and I get a lot of stuff already in the queue. But let me give you a little tip when it comes to, thought when it comes to search engines. One of the flaws with the search engine, online search engine, is you can only search for what you know or what you heard of, right? You can't search for something you never heard of or you don't know. So, and that's why you might want to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to bring you things you don't know. Tips, techniques for working with paper, for working with glue, for working with hot glue, for working with a whole variety of different things that are going to make you a better crafter and make you more creative. And things you never heard of. I mean, you ever heard of a camera obscura? Maybe you have. Camera lucida? Maybe so. How about a thaumatrope? You see what I'm saying? A phenakistoscope, right? All these wonderful things, creative things. And so this channel will be bringing you a little bit of serendipity. All right? There you go. There's the castle. It's almost done. It's actually been completed. I added lights. I added motors to it. I added a catapult that actually works. A drawbridge that goes up and down with a motor. I used all kinds of wonderful stuff. This project came out really, really good. I couldn't tell you how many hours I put into it, but it's all, and sound and music is in this. I'll be posting more videos about this. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. More stuff coming. This is only video 1.